Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Cadillac CT5, a luxury sedan that combines performance, sophistication, and cutting-edge technology. Let's break down the interior, exterior, safety, and performance of this stunning car and see if it's worth the hype. Interior design. The 2025 CT5 boasts a luxurious and tech-forward cabin that feels both elegant and modern. Premium materials like leather upholstery and real wood accents are featured throughout. The cabin is spacious with plenty of room for passengers, and it's designed for comfort, with heated and ventilated seats, customizable lighting, and an intuitive 12-inch digital display. The new infotainment system is sleek, user-friendly, and integrates perfectly with your devices. Exterior design. On the outside, the 2025 CT5 exudes bold, athletic styling. It carries the iconic Cadillac grille and sleek lines that give it a dynamic, aggressive stance. The sharp LED headlights and dual exhaust tips make it stand out on the road. It also features 18-inch alloy wheels and can be customized with various trim options, making it a real showstopper in any color. Safety features. When it comes to safety, Cadillac doesn't hold back. The 2025 CT5 comes loaded with advanced driver assistance features like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. Plus, it's built with a rigid body structure to ensure maximum protection in the event of a collision. Performance. Under the hood, the CT5 offers impressive performance with options like the 2.0L turbocharged 4-cylinder engine delivering around 237 horsepower. And for those seeking even more power, the 3.0L twin-turbo V6 engine pushes it to 335 horsepower. With rear-wheel drive and the available all-wheel drive, this sedan provides an exhilarating driving experience, whether you're cruising on highways or taking tight corners. Overall, the 2025 Cadillac CT5 is a premium sedan that truly delivers on luxury, safety, and performance. It's a perfect choice for those who want a blend of stylish looks, cutting-edge tech, and serious driving power. The updated features and sleek design make it a top contender in its class. Whether you're after a sophisticated ride for daily commutes or an engaging car for long drives, the CT5 has got you covered. Let me know what you think about the 2025 Cadillac CT5 in the comments, and if you want to stay updated on all things automotive, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.